The A2500 features 3 program settings to create your favorite smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, and then turn the blender off automatically. A new built-in digital timer displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2500 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
Homemade soup just the way you like it.
Is your kitchen overdue for a powerful upgrade? Introducing the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender. From pulverizing nuts and seeds to effortlessly producing consistent results, the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender shines where other appliances struggle. This powerhouse blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 2.25 peak horsepower motor that easily handles your toughest kitchen tasks. With a double housing design, heavy-duty plastic base, and soft-touch handle, the Hurricane Blender is not only ultra-quiet, but incredibly easy to use. Press a button on the illuminated LCD display to choose low, high, or pulse, or press the pre-programmed setting for smoothie or ice crush. The tight seal lid comes with a 2-ounce removable measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. Automatic load sensing technology means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending strength based on the amount of food added to the 60-ounce BPA-free Triton jar, so your preset functions produce consistent results every time. The refined finish comes in gunmetal gray and complements your kitchen style without compromising the high-quality operation and efficiency expected from a Cuisinart blender. Professional-grade power, ultra-quiet operation, and ease of use are just a few of the reasons the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender blows the competition away. Give your kitchen the powerful upgrade it deserves by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender to your culinary arsenal.